this is everything that's in the kit. Laser cut, which has got some great words: zoo, rainforest fun, holidays, and day trip. You've got the 2 washies, your creative cuts, a die, your vellum creative cuts, some very cool small glass domes. These are our 8mm glass domes. A nice little wood grain stencil, puffy stickers. We've got the enamel dots. These are just fun little metal caps. An embossing folder, a new embossing folder, the magazine, your cut apart sheet, and of course the paper pack. So absolutely chock-a-block full of value. To get full packets of all this product is really something that we strive to do here at Uniquely Creative, to give you full packets, full value, $80 of RRP in this box just for $49.95. So that is the kit. Hope you enjoy this new release. So many new fun things. You don't have to buy the kit to get the embossing folder. You'll be able to buy the embossing folder, the laser cut, and the stencil online as well if you want to. This will be available in all the stores. We did a post recently of all of our retail stores, so you could pick this stuff up all across the country. And thank you so much for supporting us. It's been a rough year for everyone, and we are just so grateful to make it towards the end of the year and release this beautiful kit for you. So till next time, thanks guys so much. Bye.